Good morning, good morning. It is Thursday, May 4th. Welcome. I hope everyone's having a good week and a good day so far. So, we have a few minutes till the market opens. The algorithm
Order submitted
has been killing it on commodities this week. The NASDAQ, not so much, hasn't been the best. But if you've been doing the NASDAQ along with gold or oil, then you're looking pretty good. Gold itself on the week is 100% every single day. And it has made $2,600 in 4 days. Like, that's insane. Insane. All right, let me share this with the group, and then we will also get TikTok set up. All right, minimize this a little bit, move it over. So we have dropped. Last time we had a gap in the market. We moved up and filled that rather quickly. And then since London opened and they had this huge spike up, and then they just dropped it. So thumbs up, Buttercup. I have Santa off to the side. I have Break off to the side. I have a few others off to the side that we'll see if we get any traction on. What is... Oh, yeah, and I have another scalper. I don't know, this is one of the other ones. I don't know which one. My Santa. All right, let me get on TikTok. Did I put this on? That's the only thing. All right, cool. We got Break. Break is in a short right now. I wonder if that's what I should to focus on here. We'll see. I can always change it later. Cool. All right, give a thumbs up. Again, so I'll be live from 9:30 to 10:30. There's no afternoon stream today. I have a student session and Jen is busy working. So she will be back for a afternoon stream on Friday. But it's been getting a lot of good feedback. So she went live for her first time on Tuesday and then her second time yesterday, which was Wednesday. And people are really enjoying it. So I'm happy. She's happy. They're happy. All right. TikTok. Is it 9:30? It's 9:29. I went to Instagram when I said
When I first went viral on TikTok, it's because people thought that my parents lived at the Collins house.
Oh, there's like 5 requests.
Order canceled.
It's funny. I clearly haven't gotten onto.
Order submitted.
So many comments said,
Order
is there
canceled.
any price for the spot yet? No, there's no price.
Order submitted.
All right, live. I'm live on the TikTok. I like to angle it down because then you can
Order
see
canceled.
purple. I have a doctor's appointment today at 10:45, so I definitely have to leave here right at 10:30, but it's fine because I'm already dressed and ready to go. I just need to physically leave. 510 on that. Let me turn the volume down here. I don't know which one that was. Maybe this. Oil's already 2 for 2 overnight for $450. Gold is already 2 for 2 overnight for $850. Like, just gold and oil this week, if you just ran gold and oil, you would be green $3,400. Just gold and oil. So, kind of crazy. Let me go open up this thread. Okay, cool. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. Are we in any shorts right now? We are on break. We're in a short for $200. I don't have break up here. I'm going to have to, hold on. Let me get it up for you guys. There it is. So I could have really just turned that on. All right. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I don't care about crypto. I hate crypto. Also, if somebody DMs you about that, it's not me. There is somebody that, oh, my little box is in the way. 230 on the short that has been trying to impersonate me. Like, he takes my photo on my profile, he steals my videos, and then he creates a new profile and tries to scam people into crypto. I hate crypto, and this is a huge reason why, because the crypto market is so sketchy. It's not for me. No, thank you. Like, I know you can make money in it. It is what it is, but it's not for me. So no crypto, no stocks, just futures. How do you start? How do you cash out earning? Yep, so you cash out as many times as you want, but with NinjaTrader, you get 2 free cash outs per month. It's just an ACH transfer, just like you would with anything else. Like if somebody sent you money on Venmo, you transfer it out, that's an ACH transfer. If somebody sends you money on Cash App, whatever, that's an ACH transfer. So you do the same with NinjaTrader, and you get 2 per month. If you want to do more than 2, then you pay, I think it's like $10 every time. But yeah, you can take out as much as you want. So that's how you withdraw money. It's a good question. Yeah, there's one that they put like a 0 instead of an O. I don't have any other accounts. I only have this account. So if anyone besides this account is trying to, and number one, I will never message you. I will never follow you. I will never message you. So please remember that if some scammer tries to message you and follow you, and then the little light bulb should go off and be like, wait, Lauren told us she doesn't do this. Because I've had 2 people recently be like, oh, I was about to send them $500. I'm like, for what? Like, what? Like, these people must be really convincing. Like, I must need to get them on my sales team, because they are, one guy sent like $3,600 and now he can't get it back. Like, y'all are crazy. But then I have other people that will literally do so much due diligence, and they'll follow me for like 8 months before they even sign up. Waves in a short. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, here it is, this one. I'm testing so many that I don't even know. All right, here we go. We'll see if this short plays out. I also have Santa off to the right, and oh, I was going to do super fast, but I didn't. Oh, Carter. Hi, welcome. Hi, Roland. Please tap that screen. Oh my gosh, we were like 180, and then it just like drops. Clearly. No, Jeremy, I will never slide in your DMs. Please notate that. Lauren does not slide. Lauren is too busy for any of that. You know who's not too busy? People that live in a third world country that have like a call center that creates these TikTok bots all the time, and they just want to scam people for $50. Yeah, but Nicholas, no one should be quitting their job. Like, people will ask that sometimes. Early's in a short. Let's see if we can hit this. Early as also one of my scalpers. Is that Santa? No, Santa's not live yet. What do I have on? Oh, probably that other one. I have too many boxes here. All right, we hit both targets on NQ early range, so 2 for 2 there. Remember, oil's 2 for 2 on the day, and gold is also 2 for 2. Where is my, oh, maybe I didn't label it. Here it is. Or long into this setup. I need to rename it. I'll do that in a second. Yes, Jen, people were loving your live stream yesterday. I'm so excited. Hi, Daniel. Ryan said, I followed you for 8 months before signing up. LOLs. I could never be that person. If I see something I like, just kind of like at a store, the same concept. If I see something I like, I'm getting it immediately. I'll probably wait like a day. That will be it. Y'all, please give a thumbs up. There's 23 of you in YouTube, and there's only 8 likes. So half of you just creeping. Remember, I go live every day for you guys, showing you the algorithm so you can kind of get more information and make an educated decision. But I don't have to. Oh, look. You want to see what this looks like? Oh, I was going to screenshot it. Thanks for the heart, Bess. You know, you can also Google, because people will be on, like, lives recording, and then they repost, I guess, the live or the video, whatever it looked like. Let's slice up $10. $10. That's right. So 1 for 1 on early for $200. Oil is green $450 since the evening, and gold is green $800. $850 since last night. So everything is green so far. We like that. $850 on gold, $450 on oil, $200 on the NASDAQ. I have the hiccups. And break isn't along. Is there a certain amount of leverage it uses? Yeah, so Marvin, all of that can be found on the NinjaTrader website. It's just, and I can pull it up, but they list how much you need to take each position. So like this one contract of the NASDAQ, I have to have $1,000 in my account. So it quote unquote costs $1,000 to take this trade. But that's just the money that you have to take that trade. Scott, so the cost for the bot is $500 for the first 21 days as a trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you want more information, you can just email me. My email is right here in the little white box, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's also in my bio. Y'all, this is so hard to find. I have so many things running right now. Oh, that already took it out. I was going to show you something else. Thanks for the likes, Marvin. I appreciate it. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to keep putting them in the chat. I love to answer them. I'm live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. And then my co-pilot, Jen, who's in the chat right now, she goes live about 3 times per week in the afternoon, so 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. She won't be live today, but she will be live tomorrow, which is Friday. And she was live yesterday and the day before, and yesterday she showed Scalper took a trade, well, actually several trades during the hour she was live, and it made $3,000 yesterday afternoon from the overflow of FOMC, and that's always exciting. So nice job there, Jen. I'm gonna maybe reset this. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right, so still in this long of break, and Jen will be live on Monday as well. So she'll be live Friday and then Monday. And I'll always let you know in the morning when she'll be live, so you guys can just kind of jot it down or put a reminder or alert on your phone. But she will be streaming essentially the same content, but she's a lot more fun than me. And it's in the afternoon. So if folks are too busy in the morning with meetings or what have you, then they could check out that stream instead. This is one of my fun ones that I was showing last night in the group. The first trade it took off the open was like $2,300. Yep, so the minimum, Nicholas, is 2 to 3K. Thanks, Carter. They're super helpful. Carter, yeah, if you're around in the afternoon, Jen has been going live, so you could always help her too if you're ever like free from 2 to 3 p.m. Kyle, I can't. Bum, 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 bum. Nice job, Kyle. Kyle already made $2,500. I will be, all I'm doing is laying in bed. No, feel better. We like when you join. It's a lot of fun. Look, Look, I was just typing. There you go, Bess. You got it. All for you. Now in the short on break, green 180. So break so far on the day is red 180, which is still in testing. Trying to get it right. Certain markets, it's just not great. And then other other times of the market, it's amazing. So again, NQ on range so far is 1 for 1. Oil is 2 for 2, and gold is 2 for 2, for a total of $1,450 on the day. If you have any questions, please put them in chat. If you appreciate the stream, please give a thumbs up. What is that username? Where are we at? Still in this short. Santa hasn't taken any trades yet. My other scalper did, and it hit the break even for like $10. I wonder if this one really is. Let's see. There's someone new in the group that has like a username that's like 5 characters. No. It's literally, the time has to wrap around because it's so long. Thanks, Jen. All right, green 295 on this short. I have a level here at 13,040. $335 on this short now. This is a strong support here, so we'll see if it can get through or if it's going to bounce around for a bit. Oh, Bubba loved waking up to see MCL hit. Yes, you got to throw that MGC on there too. It's green $850 overnight. All right, well, it broke through. Green $500 on this short. Thanks, Carter. We are still going. 540. Please tap that screen if you appreciate the stream. Give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. Again, if you don't already follow me, please give me a follow. I go live every single day from 9:30 to 10:30. If you're a student of mine, we also do a private student call from 8:45 to 9:15 each morning, breaking down the NASDAQ market, the gold and oil markets. Look at that pullback. That was nice. Did you see that, Kyle, on the 500? Remember yesterday? Wasn't it you that asked me about that? Now I'm going to eat my words. Nice job, Jeanette. So proud of you. I'm definitely eating my words right now. Hold on, I gotta put this. Ah, this is break, Elmo. Kyle said yes. Almo, are you running gold or oil? Because they are both really, really doing really well on the week. Especially gold. Gold is 100%, 2,600 on the week with the minimum sizing. So even if you just had 2 micros, you would be up $260 on the week. And oil is green, another 800, so that would be 80. If you were just doing the minimum, the bare minimum on micros. No, I don't want that one. I want this one. Nice. You got oil. Awesome. 570 on this short now. Remember, this setup is red 180 so far. So say you closed it out here at 580, then you'd be green 400 on the day. So just to keep it in perspective. But I'm only seeing it because I'm watching it. Dave said almost cover the 3. Exactly, Dave. All right, so it took profit there. So now it's green 190 on the day. So, you know, you can have a big run, but if it already had a little bit of a loss, then that could affect that. Nice, Josh. Well, why are you not running oil or gold? Gold is green $850 overnight, and oil is green $450 overnight. It's like $1,300 right there. And you done for the day. You wake up to $1,300 and you're like, okay, I'm done. Bye. Hey, William, what's up? I did cover my 3K today, so I have to run some micros for 4 days. Yes, perfect, Dave. I love when that happens. I love it. Santa is in a long. Let's see if we can get this bounce here. Get back above that 13,040 level. Again, if you want more information, if you're new here, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. The stop loss here is $200. So if it turns around and loses, I will be out $200. Which is why the risk is so great on Scalper. It can be really small and then you can have some huge runs. So this setup made $3,000 in 1 hour yesterday from 2 to 3 p.m. Jen was live streaming and she showed this specific setup and it made $3,000 in the 1 hour. And again, you're risking $200. And now I have absolutely no risk on the trade because you can see that purple line moved up. That is the break-even offset. So it moves up after you gain $200. So we gain $200, it moves itself up. Guaranteed green trade now. So even if it turns around and pulls back, I will still make money on this trade. If you want to make more and you want to kind of closely follow this trade, more closely than the way that I have it set up, because I want to let my trade breathe a little bit. But if you're trying to pass an evaluation for NinjaTrader, for Apex or Lilu or whatever prop firm you're using, you could take this stop loss and move it up like this and then just leave it there. I'm going to keep mine where it was. But even like when it was up here, you could have done the same thing. So you could try to lock in the whole trade because I know there is that trailing drawdown thing that people want to, be aware of and just kind of keep in the back of their mind. So, but if it hits here, I will still be green. But I won't be as green as it was up here because it went to what, like 60? It went to 56 from 30. So it went up 20 points. So that would be $400. So instead of $400, I might only get like 100. So, if that's something you need to be careful of. If you're running Santa and you're in Apex and you're still either in evaluation or in the beginning phases of your funded account, you want to be careful of that because you still have that trailing drawdown for a while. So you want to move up your stop loss because you could have locked in easily $300 in that trade or $350 instead of, $100 or $75. Again, if you want more information, please email me. It's the easiest way to get in touch. I will never follow you on TikTok. I will never DM you. So just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I can answer any questions you have regarding the NinjaTrader setup, the algorithm itself. Obviously, I can't go over exactly how it works and the code and stuff, but if you want some historical data, I can send that to you. So just hit me up. In a long here on wait, but I wonder which one this is. Oh, it might be this one. No, it's not. Break isn't a short. The wave isn't a long. So this one's in a long. Oh, you know what I was thinking about? It was actually this one. Let's see if that trail just moved up there. We'll see if it can move up some more. Oop, there it goes. I am testing this, so we'll see what happens. What time is it? 9:53. Whoa, look at that. Guaranteed green now on this move. 1100 on this move up. All right, and it took profit there. So there's no actual take profit, but it will exit the trade if it feels the setup is turning around, and so then it will lock it in. Break is still in this short on the NQ. Yeah, see that one? I gotta take a picture of this. Oops. Maybe just a little bit though, not too much. Yep. Because honestly, even if you just look at oil and gold this week, again, just this week, just in 4 days, they've made what, $3,600? That covers 3 months, 3.5 months of your service. And then we just made 200 on NQ too, and NQ's had a little bit of a rougher week because of FOMC yesterday and stuff like that. Oh, scalpers in a trade. We're in a long on scalper. I'm going to put that over here. See if this moves up and guarantees the profit. This is the only second trade today on this one, right? Oh, maybe it's the third. It's the third on this one. Oh, no, it's only the second. It's only the second. No, never mind. It's the third. Thanks, Carter. All right, so this setup is red $60. Oh, see how then it runs? I want to get that. Santa is in a long now. right. I got my last appointment with my doctor today, my foot doctor. Break is in along. Market hasn't figured out what it wants to do yet. We've been moving down. The move down has been nice, but I would expect some type of a pullback. So today I have a doctor's appointment. I also have to get blood work this afternoon. And then I have a student session this afternoon from 4 to 5. Flagging on a short here. That one already took profit. I have so many things open. There is no live this afternoon. So the afternoon live is not every day. It's only going to be 3 to 4 times a week. And so she went live on Tuesday and Wednesday already. And then she's going to go live on Friday afternoon. So Friday afternoon from 2 to 3 and then Monday from 2 to 3. Yes. Absolutely. So, Elm, let me know if you got that. She'll be live 2 to 3 p.m. tomorrow on Friday, closing the market, and then also on Monday from 2 to 3 p.m. But I am live every single day, Monday through Friday from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. She is so weird. I have a friend. Oh. Look at this short. 900 on this short. Let's see. Watch this trail move down. This is one of the ones that I'm testing that I'm trying to figure out the best setup for the trail. There we go. And see how it took profit on its own with no target? See, that was a long. The shorts always, well, actually, no, this was a short that got stopped too. Sometimes I think the shorts are just better. All right, we're still in the short on break. Good morning. So it is 9:59. Foot doctor, blood work, student session, and then there's a game tonight. So today is a busy day. And then I have 2 student sessions tomorrow, and then it's the weekend. If you guys want more information on the algorithm, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's the easiest way to get in touch. Also, if you want to post any questions in the chat, I'm more than happy to answer them. Yep, so the minimum is $2,000 to $3,000. For your students to which one of your algos to run each day. So yeah, so there's the student service where you can learn how to manually trade. That's the mentorship. And then there's the algorithm, which automatically trades for you. So that's what you see here on the screen. It trades 23 hours a day, Sunday through Friday. Bum, 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 bum. Yesterday, we were talking about that yesterday. Somebody was like, oh, well, Jen is going live now in the afternoons. And she's like, I'm sorry, I don't have a clicky keyboard to be all typing loud during the live stream. Yeah, for sure. Carter said, you should be doing the mentorship no matter what. It helps you to understand what's going on, which is totally true. If somebody asks, should they do the mentorship first or the algorithm, I always say the mentorship, because it will teach you physically how to just read and technically see what's happening in the market and on that product. So then you can make a bit more sound decision on the algorithm, where if you're like, okay, because you can choose if you want to just run longs or just run shorts. And so if you can technically see that maybe shorts are the better option for the day, then you can just run shorts and be like, well, I'm just going to run shorts today because of what I've learned in the mentorship. But people that are just using the algorithm might not have that information, if that makes sense. But regardless, the algorithms do well, even if you just turn them on and never look at them and run them all year. But if you have a little more of an edge because of the mentorship, that's cool too, you know? So. Break is still in this short. Scalper is in a long. Not Santa, it's the other one that I had. This one. But it's red, $60. Let's see if it can push up here. Push up, push up. Alright, so you got your question answered, Elm? If not, let me know. Yeah. I'm cold. Yeah, for sure. So if you do the mentorship, we give manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You get the morning call in the student call, which is 8:45 to 9:15 every morning. And then you get access to the student channel. You get access to the chop zone, the LIS, all of those little extras. So there's a little tug of war here because we're in a long on Santa, but it's having a hard time holding this 50 area. Mike said, yes, get the mentorship. I have, and my trading IQ has vastly improved. Nice, Mike. I love to hear it. I might jump off at like 10:15 today. I'm already dressed and ready to go, but you know, sometimes doctors like you to get there early, whatever. Prepare for traffic. Does that sound very adult of me? I feel like I need to stand up. My head kind of hurts. It actually looks kind of nice today, but it's still cold as hell. It's like 40 degrees or something. 40 degrees. All right, we're still in this long of Santa, green 100. When it goes to 200, it will. Let's go. Let's go. See if it can get to $200. Oh my gosh. So I'm in my little closet, and it was much warmer than outside of the closet because I just opened the door and now I'm like really freezing, so I just shut it. It's too cold. All right, still in this long, moving up. Santa's only red $60 on the day, so let's see if we can at least get an offset here to bring it into the green or get a nice run. I'm here for the nice run. There we go. All right, $150, $160. Remember, when it goes to 200, when you see this little box say $200, this will move itself up into the positive, and it will guarantee $75 in profit. Now, could it still move more than that? Absolutely. But until then, it will stay where it is, and then it will stay at the positive 75. And then the trail will just trail behind it. right, green 135. This is definitely a tough area to get through. It's 10:07. All right, let's push. Go, Santa, go. I got to change my picture back to Santa. I haven't done that in a while. Is anyone running NQ Pink today? What is it doing? Probably nothing because the market's just like so tight right here. Nothing yet. Makes sense. It's definitely much more conservative with its entries. All right, 140 on this long, 150, 180. Go. Once it gets to 200, it will move it up. 185, 170. Come on, 200. You can do it. You can do it. If you wanted to move it yourself at this point, you could. You know, it was at 185. It's $15 away from moving itself up. So if you were like, well, I want to guarantee myself something on this trade, you could always take this stop loss and physically move it up yourself. $120. This is such a tight area. 160. Let's see if we get a push here. 175, 180. There it goes. All right, it reached 200 because you can see it moved itself up. Again, if you want more information on the algorithm, just email me. And now it took profit. So out there, we're now green on the day on Santa. Only like $60, but. So NQ on range is 1 for 1 for $200 on the day. Oil is 2 for 2 for $450 on the day. And then gold is 2 for 2 for $850 on the day. So overall, we're green $1,560 on the day if you're running those 4 setups. Look at Mike Santa. I love it. I love it. All right. Thanks for the likes. If you guys appreciate the stream, I'd love if you tap that screen or give a thumbs up on YouTube. Oh, you know what I was just thinking? This one, this one is in Santa. This one Santa. See why I get confused running too much stuff? Oopsies. That was the other one. And now it's flagging for a short. Ooh, we're already in a short on one of the waves. Let's see if I can grab that. Short on this. Oh, it already took profit. As soon as I pull it over, it took profit. Thanks, Jen. What a tight market. When are we going to move? Break isn't a long. Not loving that at this point. I want to see one of these shorts play out. We got to break back below 13,040. Well, break is now green on this long. Well, not anymore. Red $5. Does anybody have any interesting weekend plans? One of my friends just texted me and she was like, I guess if somebody said to you more than just friends, would you take that in like, you know, like a relationship type of way or something like that? And so I haven't responded yet because I'm on the live stream, but I was thinking, yeah. And I guess she drove by a daycare or some type of business that's named that. And she's like, well, what is that about? Like, what? All right, in this long, okay, so break and wave are both in this long. This is green, 1,000. Break is green, 45. Let's see if it can hold. It's 10:11. Was there no, I don't think there was a report this morning. Oh, yeah, the Derby. Nice. That will be fun. Oh, the casino. Listen, you guys have a lot of fun stuff planned. All right, well, that... Did I say I didn't like that long? That long, did not work out there. Where was the flag for the short? I want that short. Yeah, my parents are going to some derby party. I never keep up with stuff like that. I'm like, what? I don't know. There's one. Oh, that's cool, Josh. Roland, what is your favorite game to play at the casino? Breaks in a short. I say we got to break that 13,040. See if we can do that. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. I guess I didn't sleep well. Oops. What are they? Someone's digging something or something. All right, the short is green 115 on break. Also short on wave too, so these are both short. I just like to watch this trail, see if it works. They both have a trail, but they're each different. They are different in different ways. All right, where is the other one that I had an issue with? Not this, that's Santa. Oh, probably this one. I'll have to change that in a second. All right, it's 10:15. I might get off of here. The market is pretty tight. We'll probably get a bigger move maybe this afternoon. I don't know. They had a nice move down. It's not like we've been sideways, but the move down happened earlier today. Just at the open, we haven't been getting too much, so. All right. Remember, there is no afternoon live stream today. I will be back tomorrow morning from 9:30 to 10:30, and then tomorrow afternoon, which is Friday. Oh, scalpers are all in longs. Where's my other scalper? Santa and this other scalper that I'm testing are both in longs. Thanks for the rose, William. Santa's actually more green than this. Santa's green 200 at this point. But yeah, so tomorrow we'll have both live streams, the morning live stream and the afternoon live stream. But today is just going to be this morning one. And I'm going to get ready, head out for my doctor's appointment. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, YouTube.